I always recommend to my clients is when you get insurance, especially life insurance, and you look at term, you're looking for as long as possible for as cheap as possible to give you the most amount. So how do you use a term policy to create generational wealth? There's ways to do that, but a lot of people don't think about that from a short-minded perspective because most people are always thinking about the now. And I'm not going to be able to, how can I say, use that term insurance. It's just me giving away money. Well, no, it's not you giving away money. When you think about it, we have a car and everyone has car insurance because it's mandatory. But what happens to a car on a regular basis? It depreciates. And I always say to the clients, a lot of people do not realize what their biggest asset is. They usually say it's their house. I'll leave that comment for different places. I always like to share different places. If people have heard me or talked to me, they've heard me use this a lot because I find that most individuals are very, very underinsured from a risk perspective, from a generational wealth perspective, in a lot of ways that they don't think about. And insurance could be usually the cheapest way of covering that risk and creating that generational wealth.